guys, this is the most beautiful city in Europe. One. Second, the best house ever. Third, the best food in Europe. Fourth, great scientific program. And five, you can buy a stuff you don't need. My name is Churlinov. I work as general practitioner with interest in endodontics in Sofia, Bulgaria. But I'm here to teach you guys about autotransplantation, which is something I'm really passionate about. The lecture was 2.5 hours. It was very long. I thought that nobody will remain until the end of the presentation, but everybody remained. So it was difficult to manage, but I enjoyed it a lot. I see that it's growing every year. When I came here the first time, 2016, it was small meeting, not that many booths. The congresses, the lineups were not that long, but now the lineups of the different congress is much better and better, more organized, more booths, different stuff, new technologies. You're doing a good job, guys. I've been to 3 fairs so far. Köln, here, and the one in Bulgaria. So for me, it's the second best after Köln. If you could do it better than Köln, that's the spirit. The main advantages is that if you need something, you can get it while learning. The disadvantage would be that it's like you're in a shopping mall. You're buying stuff you don't need. So, guys, this is the most beautiful city in Europe. One. Second, the best house ever. Third, the best food in Europe. Fourth, great scientific program. And 5, you can buy a stuff you don't need.